guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know me, then hi, I'm Gloriya and I make videos related to self-portrait. So do support me, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to change this blank white wall with a creative studio. So keep watching and let's get started. So for this blank wall, I have collected some chips packet. Obviously these are empty. I have eaten all of them. So yeah, and we are going to attach all of them just like this in this wall and with the help of transparent tape. So yeah. For our next shoot, we need some fairy light. Okay, for the next shoot, I am using this chart paper and I am gonna attach it right here. So let's do this.
For shoot number 4, turn on your Instagram camera and click a photo. Then choose the brush tool and fill your screen with any color you want. Then increase the brightness of your screen and you will get some effect just like this. For this shoot, we need some wool and tuck the wool in front of your camera just like this and record a video. Then take a screenshot of the best moment from the video and you will get some creative photo. Last but not the least, shoot number 6, and this is the most easiest way to click some aesthetic photos. Every one of us has a window in our house from where we get direct sunlight and some shadow. So what are you waiting for? Shoot front of it, and best time to shoot is golden hour and enjoy your aesthetic photos.